Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you what to do if your notes have disappeared on iPhone. If your notes have disappeared, then it depends on what you mean by that. Maybe your Notes app disappeared, maybe notes within the Notes app have disappeared. First, let's talk about the app because it's an easy thing to do. I can just press and hold on the app if I have it, click on remove app. Oh, it asks me for the Face ID for whatever reason. Well, turns out I need to enter as a Face ID for system apps to delete them. Then let's click on delete. And now you can see that notes have disappeared. What you need to do is go to the App Store and then search for notes. Let's go there. Okay. Let's download the notes. And now the notes will be right here. Let's open them up. Let's continue. And now let's speak about what if your notes within the app have disappeared, because most probably we're searching for that. But I wanted to show you the first one first because it was the simpler thing. So now I have like lots of notes here, but you may need to first go to the settings. Go to the settings, then go to apps at the bottom and find mail. Why mail? Because here you have mail accounts and you can see I have an iCloud and a Gmail account. You may have way more than that, and some of these accounts may either have note syncing disabled, or maybe those accounts have logged out and you need to re-enter the password for them to re-log back in. So let's go to, like, for example, iCloud. Maybe not iCloud because that's a little more complicated. Let's go to Gmail. Here you'll have notes. Make sure they are enabled, and now notes from your Google account will be synced into the Notes app. Like that. Now in iCloud, I would need to have like an email address for my iCloud for whatever reason. But if you have like multiple iCloud accounts, then you can just go into that other iCloud account. If it's at iCloud.com, the email is at iCloud.com, but your main iCloud account that your phone is signed into, even if it doesn't have at iCloud.com, then you can simply go to the top of the screen. Then you'll simply probably have like your iCloud here, saved to iCloud, manage storage. No, sorry, I believe I'm syncing to maybe manage storage actually. Yeah, no. There's like, you can see there's notes. Okay, I can just click on the notes, and you can enable syncing the iPhone, so it'll all sync up together. And that should help you. Of course, it depends on what account you have saved your notes on, because if I go to Notes app, then I can save them on my iCloud, but I can also save them on my Gmail. Right? I can do like to all iCloud folder, or maybe to notes on Gmail. And then if I log out of Gmail, it'll just get the notes out of here. Now, check your recently deleted folder. Maybe you have accidentally deleted it. So let's go to iCloud. Let's get it like recently deleted. You can see I have like different notes here, and if there's any that you may want to get rid of, then just bring back. If you want to bring something back, press and hold on it, then click on move and select a folder to move it to. I'm gonna move it to or maybe let's click on edit, click on that, move. Yeah, that's basically the same thing, but I want it to move it to all iCloud, but I don't have it, so let's move it to notes. Okay. Yeah, and now the last thing is maybe you just can't find your note, and you need to go to search. It'll be either a bar at the bottom or at the top, where you can just type in like something and it'll find the notes for you. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.